Imagine that tonight, the moon simply disappeared. It didn't explode, it didn't drift away, it was just gone. At first, it might not seem like a big deal, but before long, the oceans would begin to behave differently. The nights would become much darker in over thousands, even millions of years. Earth would slowly lose the stability that made life possible. And the most incredible part, all of this depends on an object we often take for granted. The moon is far more than just Earth's natural satellite. It has shaped our planet's history, continues to influence it every single day, and may one day become humanity's first home beyond Earth. We see the moon almost every night, yet few of us stop to think about how extraordinary it really is. It orbits Earth at an average distance of about 384,400 kilometers, yet its light reaches us in only 1.3 seconds. Compared to most moons in our solar system, Earth's moon is unusually large relative to its planet. That remarkable coincidence is exactly why total solar eclipses are possible. Is it just chance? Or one of the most extraordinary alignments in the solar system? The moon has almost no atmosphere. There is no wind, no rain, no weather. Its surface is completely silent. If an astronaut stood only a few meters away and shouted, you wouldn't hear a single sound. So where did the moon come from? The leading scientific theory takes us back 4.5 billion years, when the young Earth experienced one of the most violent events in its history. A massive protoplanet, roughly the size of Mars, slammed into our planet. The impact was so powerful that enormous amounts of molten rock and metal were blasted into space. Those fragments didn't disappear. Over thousands of years, gravity slowly pulled them together, forming the moon we see today. Which means something truly fascinating. When you look at the moon, you're looking at a piece of Earth's ancient past, material that has been orbiting our planet for more than 4 billion years. Have you ever noticed that the moon always shows us the same face? It almost looks as if it never rotates. But it does. The moon rotates once on its axis in exactly the same amount of time it takes to orbit Earth. This phenomenon is known as tidal locking. Because of this perfect synchronization, humanity has looked at the same side of the moon for thousands of years. The far side remained completely unknown until spacecraft finally photographed it in the 20th century. Many people think the moon is simply a beautiful object in the night sky. In reality, it plays a vital role in keeping Earth the way it is. Its gravity creates the ocean tides, but that's only the beginning. The moon also acts like a giant stabilizer, helping keep Earth's axis tilted at a relatively constant angle. Without it, our planet's climate could have changed dramatically over millions of years. Some scientists believe that without the moon, complex life on Earth might never have evolved. In other words, our very existence may be connected to the moon. On July 20th, 1969, humanity achieved something that had once seemed impossible. For the first time in history, a human being stood on another world. Neil Armstrong's first step became one of the defining moments of the space age. But here's something many people don't realize. Only 12 people have ever walked on the moon. That's fewer people than can fit inside an average city bus. And for more than half a century, no new human footprints have appeared on its surface. But that may soon change. The moon has almost no atmosphere. That means astronauts' footprints could remain there for millions of years. Deep inside permanently shadowed craters near the lunar poles, scientists have discovered water ice. One day, that ice could provide drinking water, oxygen, and even rocket fuel for future lunar bases. Every year, the moon drifts about 3.8 centimeters farther away from Earth. That may not sound like much, but over hundreds of millions of years, it will completely change the appearance of our sky. Eventually, total solar eclipses will no longer be possible, forever. The moon is far more than a bright object lighting up our night sky. It is a surviving witness to Earth's birth, a guardian of our planet's stability, and perhaps humanity's first destination on the journey into deep space. The next time you look up at the moon, remember this. You're looking at a world that has shaped Earth's history and may shape humanity's future as well. Do you think we'll see permanent cities on the moon within our lifetime? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next journey through the universe.